Hello everyone, this is Eric back again with All Replay, and check out what I got. I got a 2000 Coachmen Catalina pull behind travel trailer that a guy just brought like 20 minutes ago. He bought it from a private seller here in Tallahassee, Florida, and basically seen a Craigslist ad that I had up saying that I'll basically lease out, my front yard, my driveway, whatever. We actually tried to get up on, my front yard right here and just scraping the grass, with it being so low, it just did not work out. So I was like, okay, well, let's try to put it over here on the concrete, and boom, you can see like it started scraping there. So I was like, man, bump it, man, just go ahead and put it right here across the street. And he dropped it, so my neighbors get by and stuff like that. And basically I told him, like, while we're at it, and he's trying to sell it before he goes back to like Arizona and whatnot, I was like, man, I'll go ahead and throw it on Facebook Marketplace, man, and see if I can sell it, go from there. So literally within about 2 minutes of putting it on Facebook Marketplace, I had a hit. Just talked with the guy, got the guy's name and number. He's gonna be coming in the morning, take a look at it, got cash. I'll link the buyer and the seller up and negotiate the deal, and then go from there, man, and I'm making $25 off this thing just sitting here for maybe a day, and then make probably about $150 just off the commission off the sale within less than 20 minutes, you know what I mean? So it's a pretty good deal. So let me show you this thing, man. I don't know anything about trailers, but pull behind trailers, but this is what it is. This Coachmen Catalina, he's got a lock on it. I was like, make sure you got a lock. I want to make sure this doesn't get stolen, anything like that. And it's got some like tape here, whatever. It's a 2000. It looks like it's in pretty decent shape, you know what I mean? Like, got your windows and stuff like that. He said like the tires are good, man. Looks like they're in good shape. I don't know much about this stuff. But I'll show you. He didn't get the key for the actual door. So I told him about a local door locksmith that if he took this down, they can match it up for like $3. So he's going to get that done right now. And what happened was, I guess somebody left one of these air vents right there or something, and it kind of leaked. So this floor is like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's soft, you know what I'm saying, right here. So this floor needs to be replaced, and he said like a wall or something needs to be replaced. I don't know what wall. I don't know, but that's what the bathroom looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's probably this floor here and maybe this wall. I don't know, because that wall looks, who knows, man. It's got a microwave, it's got a stove. Here's like the little fuse panel box, you know what I mean, with the little circuit breakers, whatnot. It's got some drawers here. Hell, look at this, you know what I'm saying? It's got a little sink, man. Oh, okay, looks like this wall's got some damage there. So it needs a little work, man. I don't know, he said it'd be worth $8,000. I don't know if that's worth it or not. Here's the freezer. Here's the actual refrigerator here. So that's pretty cool. It's got storage right there. And this, I think this is solid. This is very solid. Got a little sitting area with a table, little couch that comes with it. This would be your bed. So I'm wondering about, is that wet? Yeah, this thing's got some issues, man. It's got some rotten wood issues around here. Oh yeah, yes. I see it now. It's like it must have been leaking around here. So it's got some issues, bro. This shit is not brand new. I don't know if you're gonna sell it now that I'm looking at it, because I mean, this looks like that's water damage where it's leaking. So somebody would have to rip this all. In my opinion, I'll rip all this shit out, bro. Start over and rebuild it. I don't know, bro. I mean, this looks like a lot of work to me. I wouldn't fuck with it. I'll tell y'all the truth. I would not mess with this, man, in my opinion. But I ain't trying to buy it. You know what I'm saying? I'm letting God look at it, he'll look at it, whatever. I may take some other pictures and like put it up there and see what's going on with it, and then go from there, man. But this is what I'm doing now. I'm not buying any like stuff like right now, unless I'm gonna double up my money and stuff like that. I'm just leasing out land and just buying and selling. I'm linking people up and getting commissions, man. So that's what I'm working on right now. So thanks for checking out the video. I'm gonna take some more pictures and I'll let you know what happens.